The length of a rectangle is 2 centimeters greater than its width. So L equals W plus 2, where L represents length and W represents width. The area of a rectangle is the product of length and width, and the area is greater than 8. To find the possible values of W, we substitute L for W plus 2. Simplifying, we get the quadratic inequality. W squared plus 2W minus 8 is greater than 0. The quadratic expression can be factored as W plus 4 times W minus 2. This results in two conditions. W is less than negative 4, or W is greater than 2. Since W represents the width, only positive values are considered, so W is greater than 2. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus 2W, and the perimeter is less than 30. Substituting L equals W plus 2, the inequality becomes 2 times W plus 2 plus 2W. Solving for W gives W is less than 6.5. Therefore, W lies in the interval between 2 and 6.5 to satisfy both conditions, the area being greater than 8 and the perimeter being less than 30.